HP docking stations connect your laptop to displays, peripherals, and networks. Rebooting resolves common issues like connectivity problems, firmware glitches, or power failures. It's a quick first step to clear temporary errors without affecting connected devices. Most issues, 70 to 80%, are resolved by a simple reboot, according to HP support metrics, saving time and frustration. A soft reboot is the easiest way to restart your HP docking station. Simply unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from your laptop. Wait 10 to 15 seconds to allow the dock to fully power down. Then reconnect the cable. This cycles the power and often resolves minor connection hiccups without a full reset. For more persistent problems, perform a hard reboot by power cycling the docking station. First, disconnect all peripherals such as monitors, USB devices, and Ethernet cables from the dock. Next, unplug the AC power adapter from the docking station to completely disconnect power. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow the dock's internal components to fully discharge and reset. Now reconnect the AC power adapter to restore power to the dock. Finally, reconnect all your peripherals to the docking station. This completes the hard reboot and resets the dock's controller chip. HP's Command Center app offers a software-based firmware reset option. First, launch the HP Command Center app on your Windows or macOS computer. Next, select your docking station from the app's interface. Then, choose the Restart Device option to initiate the firmware reset. This method forces a firmware restart, effectively addressing software-level glitches without needing to manually disconnect the dock. Before rebooting your HP docking station, perform these essential checks to identify potential issues. After rebooting, complete these verification steps to ensure everything works properly. Performing these troubleshooting checks before and after rebooting helps identify and resolve underlying causes of docking station issues. LED indicators on your HP docking station provide quick visual feedback about its status. A solid blue light generally indicates the dock is ready and functioning correctly. A blinking red light typically signals an error or issue that requires attention. Always refer to your dock's manual for specific LED meanings, as they can vary between models. HP docking stations function as signal extenders and hubs, routing USB-C and Thunderbolt connections from your laptop to multiple devices. Rebooting clears signal disruptions, overheating issues, and driver conflicts that can interrupt these connections. Docking stations use Thunderbolt 3 and 4 protocols for high-speed data transfer, supporting up to 40 gigabits per second. They also support USB power delivery for charging, and the signals flow through specialized USB-C connectors. Common triggers for reboots include driver conflicts, overcurrent protection activation, and BIOS incompatibilities. The future of docking stations brings smart features like auto recovery. These intelligent docks will automatically detect and fix issues, significantly reducing the need for manual reboots. HP is developing prototypes with advanced AI diagnostics. These systems will analyze dock performance and initiate autonomous reboots when needed, making troubleshooting hands-off. New sustainability trends focus on energy-efficient dock designs. These reduce power consumption and overheating, which in turn decreases the frequency of required reboots. To prepare for these future advancements, keep your dock's firmware updated. This ensures you benefit from new smart features and reduces potential issues.